For 30 years, Glock has been the answer, the default choice, the safe bet, the pistol everyone recommends because everyone else already recommends it. But something is shifting in American gun culture, quietly, steadily, and with a momentum the industry can no longer ignore. Glock is losing ground, not dramatically, not overnight, but consistently and undeniably, American gun owners are choosing something different. Today we find out exactly what, and more importantly, why. These are 7 guns quietly replacing Glock in American homes right now. Number 7. Springfield Armory Hellcat. At number 7 is the Springfield Armory Hellcat, a micro-compact 9mm that has been taking market share from the Glock 43 and 43X at a remarkable pace since its release. The Hellcat holds 11 rounds in its standard magazine and 13 in its extended magazine, more than comparable Glock models in a similarly sized package. For concealed carriers who were reluctantly accepting the lower capacity of the Glock 43, the Hellcat arrived as a genuine revelation. Why carry fewer rounds in the same size gun? That question no longer has a good answer, and Glock knows it. Springfield Armory has shipped Hellcats by the hundreds of thousands, and the sales trajectory shows absolutely no signs of slowing down. The Hellcat also comes optics ready from the factory, something Glock charged extra for or did not offer at all in the same size class. American concealed carriers are choosing capacity, features, and value simultaneously. The Hellcat delivers all 3 in one package at a price that makes the Glock 43 a genuinely difficult sell. But if capacity is what drives number 7, wait until you see what number 6 did to the entire micro-compact category and why it pulled hundreds of thousands of buyers away from Glock permanently. Number 6. Sig Sauer P65. Number 6 is the Sig Sauer P65, a pistol that genuinely redefined what a micro-compact 9mm could be, and in doing so, pulled enormous numbers of potential Glock buyers into the Sig family permanently. The P365 was the first pistol to offer 10 rounds of 9mm in a package small enough for true pocket carry, and the gun-buying public reacted with enthusiasm that caught even Sig Sauer by surprise. The P365 became the best-selling pistol in America for multiple consecutive years after its release. Not the best-selling compact pistol, not the best-selling micro pistol, the best-selling pistol of any size or category in the entire American market. That achievement does not happen by accident. It happened because Sig gave American gun owners something genuinely better than what Glock was offering in the same category. Higher capacity, smaller package, better trigger out of the box, and American gun owners responded accordingly, with their wallets and without hesitation. The Hellcat took capacity seriously. The P365 turned capacity into a category-defining achievement. But number 5 attacks Glock from a completely different direction, and the weapon it uses is pure economics. Number 5. Canik TP9 series. At number 5 is the entire Canik TP9 series, and the reason Canik is replacing Glock in so many American homes comes down to one simple and devastating comparison. What you get per dollar. A Glock 19 costs around $550 to $600. A Canik TP9 SF Elite costs $300 to $350. In head-to-head comparisons, the Canik matches or beats the Glock in trigger quality, matches it in reliability, and comes with more accessories already included in the box. For a growing number of American gun owners, that value equation is impossible to argue with. Why spend $250 more for a pistol that does not perform measurably better? Canik sales in the United States have grown dramatically year over year as more shooters discover the honest answer to that question. And once a shooter experiences a Canik trigger, they rarely go back to paying Glock prices without serious hesitation. The factory trigger alone has converted more Glock owners than any marketing campaign ever could. Canik wins on economics, but number 4 wins on something more personal and more devastating to Glock's reputation among serious shooters who actually know the difference. Number 4. Walther PDP. Number 4 is the Walther PDP, and the reason it is replacing Glock in American homes is perhaps the most straightforward of any pistol on this list. The PDP is simply better in every way that matters to serious shooters. The trigger is better, the ergonomics are better, the optics mounting system is better, the grip texture is better. Walther designed the PDP specifically to address every complaint serious shooters had about Glock, then executed that design with German precision. The result is a pistol that experienced Glock owners pick up, shoot for one range session, and immediately start reconsidering their loyalty. Walther knows this because their sales figures tell the story directly. The PDP has been one of the fastest growing pistol platforms in America since its release. And the buyers coming to Walther are disproportionately former Glock owners who found something they liked better and never looked back. Better trigger, better ergonomics, better optics platform, German engineering applied specifically to Glock's weaknesses. That combination is powerful, but number 3 represents something even more fundamental: American brand loyalty, meeting American competitive pricing at the highest level. Number 3, Smith & Wesson M P 2.0. At number 3 is the Smith & Wesson M P 2.0, and the story of its growth at Glock's expense is really the story of American brand loyalty, meeting American competitive pricing. Smith & Wesson is as American as firearms manufacturing gets. For buyers who want American-made quality at a competitive price, the M P 2.0 has become the obvious choice over the Austrian-made Glock. The M P 2.0 improved on every weakness of the original M P: better trigger, better grip texture, better accuracy, while maintaining the reliability that made the platform famous with law enforcement agencies nationwide. Hundreds of police departments that previously carried Glock have transitioned to the M P 2.0 and taken their officers with them. When law enforcement agencies make that switch, the civilian market follows without exception. Smith & Wesson has benefited enormously from that pattern and continues to benefit every single year. American-made, competitively priced, genuinely excellent. The M P 2.0 argument against Glock gets more compelling every year, but number 2 generates the most passionate conversations among serious shooters of any pistol on this entire list, and for very good reason. Number 2, CZ-P10C. Number 2 is the CZ-P10C, and among serious shooters and gun enthusiasts, this is the Glock replacement that generates the most passionate and heated conversations. The P10C was CZ's direct answer to the Glock 19, and it came at that challenge with such thoroughness and quality that it earned a devoted following, rivaling Glock loyalty in its intensity. The P10C trigger is widely considered superior to the stock Glock trigger. The ergonomics fit a wider range of hand sizes comfortably. The accuracy is exceptional on factory ammunition, and the price remains genuinely competitive without sacrificing a single point of quality. But what really drives Glock owners to the P10C is the feeling of the gun in the hand. There is a quality to the fit and finish of a CZ that communicates craftsmanship in a way that Glock's intentionally utilitarian design never attempts to deliver. For shooters who want performance and feel, the P10C delivers both without compromise. But number 1 is not just replacing Glock in American homes, it is replacing Glock in the United States military, federal agencies, and police departments simultaneously. And that is a completely different level of statement. Number 1, Sig Sauer P320. At number 1, the pistol most quietly but most decisively replacing Glock in American homes is the Sig Sauer P320. The evidence is not subtle. The US Army chose the P320 over Glock for its primary service pistol. Multiple federal agencies have transitioned from Glock to the P320. Dozens of police departments across America have made the switch. And in the civilian market, the P320 has become the most recommended pistol by firearms instructors, teaching both new and experienced shooters nationwide. The modular serialized chassis system means one pistol serves as a full-size home defense gun and a compact carry gun, simply by swapping frames. That versatility is something Glock fundamentally cannot match at any price point. The trigger is better than stock Glock. The modularity is unmatched by any competitor. The military and law enforcement adoption record adds a layer of confidence that matters deeply to serious buyers making a long-term decision. The P320 is not sneaking up on Glock anymore. It has arrived, it has the contracts, it has the market momentum, and it is absolutely here to stay. And there you have it, 7 guns quietly replacing Glock in American homes right now. Glock built its empire on reliability, simplicity, and consistency, and those qualities have not disappeared. But the competition has caught up, and in many cases surpassed Glock in the areas where it was once completely untouchable. The American gun owner is smarter and more informed than ever before, and the market is responding to that directly. Have you made the switch from Glock to any of these pistols? Or are you a Glock owner who will never leave? Drop your answer in the comments right now. That conversation is going to be a great one. Hit subscribe because our next video is going to stir up just as much debate as this one. Stay armed, stay ready.